Hello, everyone. My name is Zulfiqar, and welcome to another episode of Income Investors. With me today is John Whitefoot with another exciting income pick. If you want to read more about what John writes on a regular basis, you can head to incomeinvestors.com, or you can find the link to the website in the description below. Interest rates are expected to head lower by 2026. So the previously high yields offered by Treasury bills and money market instruments should be going much lower. Moreover, with core inflation still running at over 2.5%, the real rate of return is pretty dismal. For conservative income investors, this means sourcing other higher yielding instruments, and that's where a business development company or BDC could come in. A BDC is a structure so that investment income generated from debt and equity investment is paid as dividend to investors. A BDC is required to distribute a minimum of 90% of its taxable income and tax-exempt interest annually. And that's where a small BDC like Runway Growth Finance Corp, traded on NASDAQ under symbol RWAY, could make sense in an income portfolio. The company has a market cap of over $425 million, but it has been delivering a nice stream of dividends to its investors.
Thanks, Mo. Yeah, the specialty finance company originates in first-lien senior secured loans in late-stage and growth companies. Its investments are found in technology, healthcare and information services, business services, financial services, and consumer services and products. Runway Growth Finance's objective is to maximize the total return to investors via producing income from debt investments and capital gains. The BDC's loans are generally have a target of $10 million to $100 million or even higher, depending on capital raises. Since its beginning, Runway has made 82 transactions, funded $2.2 billion, and committed $2.8 billion in investments. As of the most recent data, which is September 30th, 2024, Runway Growth Finance Corp managed total investments with a fair value of $1.07 billion compared to $1.01 billion of the same period in 2023. On the chart, Runway Growth Finance stock's price of $11.53 per share, at least at this recording, is above its 52-week low of $9.87 per share, but well below its 52-week high of $13.74 per share, and the record $14.92 per share in March of 2022. Implies potential for capital appreciation. Runway Growth Finance stock recovered its 50-day moving average of $11.10 and 200-day moving average of $10.62, and has now entered a bullish golden cross. This technical crossover signals possible upside moves ahead. After that, next up is the record high.
I see that Runway Growth Finance stock has been rallying despite a soft third quarter results.
Yeah, now Runway Growth reports revenues as total investment income and earnings as net investment income. BDC's results on both the top and bottom lines have been strong. In 2023, total investment income jumped more than 52% year over year to $164.1 million. And up 130.8% from $71.1 million in 2022. More recently, in the third quarter of 2024, Runway Growth delivered total investment income of $36.7 million, and that's down from $43.8 million in 2022, but higher than the $27 million in 2021. The BDC's soft third quarter is reflected in the estimates. Analysts expect the company to report lower total investment income of $147 million in 2024, and $140.6 million in 2025.
If you like what you see so far, check out incomeinvestors.com. While you're there, you could also sign up for a free special report titled 3 Income Stocks to Own Today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. You can find the link to incomeinvestors.com in the description below. And now back to the video. And John, how does the profitability look like here?
On the bottom line, Runway Growth saw its net investment income rise to $1.93 per share in 2023 compared to $1.46 per share in 2022 and $1.30 per share in 2021. Now, the BDC's third quarter saw a decline in net investment income due to the drop in total investment income. Its net investment income fell to 41 cents per share in the third quarter versus 54 cents per share in the third quarter of 2023. Now, this was 4 cents per share short of the consensus and reflected, of course, in the estimates. Now, analysts expect Runway Growth Finance to report lower net investment income of $1.67 per share in 2024, followed by $1.60 per share in 2025. Now, the look at the balance sheet shows $548.7 million in total debt, which is what you would expect for the BDC. The total debt to equity ratio of 108.4% is manageable at this point.
Its dividend payout are 42% higher compared to 2022.
Runway Growth Finance stock last dividend was 40 cents per share in November, bringing a total for 2024 of $1.79 per share. It was a slight drop from $1.81 per share in 2023, but 42% above the $1.26 per share in 2022. Now, the forward yield is 15.18% based on the BDC's November dividend, or 15.7% based on the total dividends paid in 2024. Given the expected decline in net investment income in 2025, the company could lower its dividends, but we expect the yield to remain on the higher end, well above the treasury rates. Also, Runway Growth Finance stocks expected payout ratio of 100% based on the 2025 consensus is, again, not out of line for a BDC.
John, thank you so much for your insights. For a small BDC, Runway Growth Finance stock has relatively high institutional ownership of 48.1%. There is some concern regarding lower earnings in 2025, but based on the expected payout ratio, we expect that this BDC's dividend will remain near the current levels. Runway Growth Finance is ideal for income investors wanting a higher yield along with potential for capital appreciation. That's it for today, and make sure to go to incomeinvestors.com now to get our free special report on 3 income stocks to own today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. You can find the link to incomeinvestors.com in the description below. We'll be back with more income picks soon, so stay tuned. And in the meantime, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye for now.